crowbar tool to pry open and remove the rain sensor cover. Unplug this connector. Connect it to our adapter socket. Connect our wires to the rain sensor. Tear off the lens protective film. Connect the power cord of the dashcam. Align the notch beside the dashcam with the protruding position of the vehicle's rain sensor. Tidy up the wiring and hide it inside the dashcam housing. Buckle up the dashcam. Connect the app, attach the polarizing filter. The flashing blue light indicates that the dashcam is working. Connect the OBD power cord. Lay the wires along the edge of the sling to the left of the pillar. Lay out the power cord along the gap at the top of the pillar. Pull open the sealing strip of the door end and remove the decorative panel on the left side of the center console to lay wiring. Plug in the OBD power supply. Sort out the excess wiring harnesses and place them in the appropriate positions. Restore the sealing rubber strip and decorative cover plate to complete installation. Connect the GPS and rear camera. The rear camera wires to the right along the edge of the ceiling interior. Continue laying the wires to the right edge of pillar A. Uncover the back glue protection membrane on the surface of GPS. Mount the GPS on the top right side of the front windshield. Arrange the wiring harness and hide it inside the ceiling. Remove the rubber strip and continue to lay the rear camera wire to the right B pillar. Wire along the gap at the top of pillar B to the right rear door. Remove the back right ceiling strip and wiring to the C pillar on the right side. Remove the ceiling tape of the rear view camera. Stick the rear camera to a suitable position on the rear windshield. Tear off the ceiling strip at the corner of the C pillar.